Third period, here I come. Ow! Chemistry's this way, right? What on earth was that?
Me, duh. Hilarious.
For who? Look at my homework. All ruined. Whoa, what's going on in here? Wow. I'm gonna find out.
Hey, what's that? I'm not missing out on this.
No way. It's like a portal to another world.
Can you crawl faster, please?
It's here. Look. It's a room.
So?
It's awesome. Look at that. Wow. Looks nothing like that over here.
Gross! Hold it! Not so fast! Back to your side. Much better.
Not cool. A little help here, please?
I'm so putting this on TikTok. This place has potential. Okay, first, we need a window. Yeah, like now. Thanks.
Hey,
For me.
What's that?
here you go, miss. Last but not least, have fun. And I'm off.
Hey, aren't you missing something?
Okay, what?
I don't do manual labor. You do it.
Seriously? Okay,
Are you almost done yet?
alrighty. What do you think?
So boring.
You sure?
That's more like it. For all your help.
100?
That's it. Now go!
Okay.
Now what? Pink lighting. No way. If I want something like that, I'll just make it myself. Manual labor doesn't scare me. Especially when you've got lots of cardboard to spare. Every room should have a window. It helps you see into the world. Just one more thing. Now we're talking. I did it! Just me, myself, and I. But any nice window needs some curtains. Really elevates the space, don't you think? Cold? I hate being chilly. Bring on the heat, baby! Okay, not that much. There, the perfect balance. Hey, look!
What now? This window?
Yep, this is incredible. Whoa, real glass?
Excuse me? You're on my property. Shoo, little girl, shoo! Be gone!
Okay.
Gross.
So unfair. Oh well, I'll stay over here then. So rigid. Please don't fall. Oof. I'm destined for floor naps. No bed for me. All I can do is spell it. Okay, no more feeling sorry for myself.
What are you looking at?
Aha! Are you seeing what I'm seeing? Whatever. I'll take what I can get.
What was that about?
Let's see here. Oh, jackpot! One man's trash is another man's treasure. Very heavy treasure.
Huh? What's happening?
Oh,
That was terrifying.
I need that.
So do I.
It's on. May the best poor man win. Yep. Well,
No!
I'm not done. This is working well. While you fight, I'll take flight. Geesh.
Where has that thing been?
I can't sleep yet. I've got building to do. There. Why people throw away their boxes, I'll never know. It just means more for me. Come here, big guy. Pillows, assemble! And now, the blanket. Phew. Only one thing left to do. Oh, yeah.
You got a bed?
That's right.
Okay, not a problem. Oh, there it is! Let's do this. Oh, that's pretty nice. But I need something gold. She doesn't have gold, right?
Hey, what now?
Get off my bed! Fine, I'll take it myself.
Excuse me, can you help me? Assemble this, okay? It's very important. Understand?
Me? But
Is this enough?
I guess
Nope. Build first, okay?
work, huh? I don't know about this. Okay, I'll do it. Hold this.
Oh my, you've changed.
Yep. You like it?
Okay, just get to work, all right? I'll just watch. Those muscles are incredible. The flexing, that grip.
Uh-huh.
Okay, just a few more steps here. Man, sure is hot in here, isn't it?
You're telling me? Wow.
That looks good.
Keep those dirty paws to yourself.
Oof. Frame's done. Now it's mattress time. There. Cozy as cozy can be. With a bit of sparkle, of course. Is this good?
I mean, sure. Is this enough?
Oh yeah, I'm rich.
Wait! Oh well. So good.
Wow, what a bed! And look at that blanket!
Wait, my stomach!
Oh boy, not good. I forgot to eat dinner. Maybe if I imagine it. Oh wow. Hello? Just keep it moving. All this eating makes me sweat. Uh-huh. Oh, wait a minute. I have an idea. My stomach's not the only hungry thing around here. My brain is ravenous for innovation. So that's what I'm gonna give it. With some careful cutting, of course. Okay, that's that. On to step number 2. See?
What's this?
Mind your biz. I've got work to do. See what I mean? I sure hope it stays standing up. Just watch and learn, folks. Aw, my idea bloomed. Have you ever seen such a beautiful table?
It's so cute! What am I saying? I need something more expensive. Well, there it is! Having fun? I'll show you a real table. One that costs some money, honey. Hey! My eyes! What? Oh!
You're welcome?
Superb! Now for the real sparkle. So ornate, don't you think? Well, what's that? Are you eating paper? So pathetic you are. Real food, please!
Huh? And for me? Wait, seriously?
Just eat it, okay?
How kind. So salty.
Who eats like that?
This is the best meal I've ever had.
Delicious! Totally worth ruining my lippy. A refresh is in order. Ooh, not so steady. Hello, clown face. Ugh, no. I need help. I'm so ugly.
Hold on. I think I can help you. Found it. Oh, hello, gorgeous. Things are about to get much better. Just watch and learn. Prepare to be impressed. Gotta love some hot glue. Spin, baby, spin. Creativity for the win. But I'm not quite done yet. Just a few finishing touches. Isn't it fabulous?
Huh? Wow, you made that? It's unbelievable! And you know what? I feel inspired. I don't usually make things myself, but there's a first time for everything. And I'm on a roll, baby! Black? So chic. Makes for the perfect frame. With a touch of something pretty and pink. Ta-da! I made 2. What do you think? Look!
Huh? Wow, you made this?
Yep!
Let the decorating commence.
Not bad!
Not that at all.
Hey, nice work!
Yeah, I love you too.
Careful, this is designer! Oh no!
Oh gosh.
Test day!
You're right.
Let's go!
Good thing I studied.
Are we on time?
Attention class. Begin.
Wish me luck!
No luck needed. I studied up real good. Hey, psst.
The answers? This is awesome! Thank you!
Yep.
For real?
Shh. This is exactly how I did it. Little did Teach know. I was under the desk. The perfect crime. Who's getting an A? And that's where it all began. Well, ended.